It's a pool party. Pool party. Hey, both of you, go swim. After a walk for 1 hour, there they are in the pool. Hey, what are you doing? 2 of you, go back. Go back to the pool. Go back to the pool, Stormy. Go. Party in the pool. Pool party. Stormy, you scared of water. Every time you scared of water. Not Layla. Look at Layla, oh. She swim gracefully. She loves to swim. Layla, stop drinking water. Otherwise, you pee-pee a lot later inside the house. Kawawa si Nala, oh. Wala ka ng maintenance, Nala, kaya hinihika ka ng husto. Hindi nga naligo sa stream. Naligo naman sa swimming pool. Kahapon pa yan sila. Paligo ng paligo. Wala nang ginawa kung di maligo. Ang 3 bibihan na iyan. Yan nyo yung aming purple flower. Oh. Sobrang gaganda. Season nila ngayon. Tapos yung aming gomamela na double. Look. Ang lalaki ng bulaklak niya. Eh. Lalaki ng bulaklak. Hey. Stop fighting. Go back to the pool. Hinihigit niya. Oh, kinakagat sa liig. Go back to the pool. Ewan ko sa inyong dalawa, wala na kayong ginawa kung di maghilahan. Hilahin mo yan siya. Balik mo dun sa pool. Lunurin mo na. Lunurin mo yan. Lunurin mo si Storm sa pool. Stormy! Don't wet me. Oh, kumakanta si Auntie. Kumakanta si Auntie Inday sa kabila. Ang sarap ng ligo. Stormy, what is that? You heard the sound of the boat. I heard it too. It's so loud. It might be a big boat down the beach. There's a boat down the beach. O, dyan na muna kayo sa labas, ha. Mag-swimming muna kayo. Mag-swimming na lang muna kayo. Enjoy your swimming. Kasi hindi kayo nag-stream today. Stormy, go! Go inside the pool. Go there inside the pool. Walang ball. There's no ball. No ball. There's no ball. Go. Storm. Go there. Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Where is the ball? Get your ball. Find your ball. No, find your ball. No, find your ball. You're so naughty. Stop it. Stormy, go inside. Play. Stormy, go inside. No. You're too loud. You are too loud.